Kevin, go ahead.
Just go ahead and stand up to the camera.
Inside the vehicle. And keep an eye on your little toys. Bienvenidos a Slinky Dog Day. Por favor, permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas.